special breed to be an air traffic controller.
Here, 20 Kilo, we have an engine on fire.
Oh my God, there's an engine on fire.
In the past year, there have been a handful of incidents where planes nearly collided. Near collision involving two passenger jets.
Known as one of the most stressful jobs, air traffic controllers work to keep our skies safe in one of the world's most high-stakes environments.
This week on Challenge Accepted, I am here in Oklahoma at the FAA Academy to get a small glimpse into what it takes to be an air traffic controller. As someone who is a frequent flyer myself, I admittedly have never really thought too much about what actually happens inside the tower at an airport. So this week, I am here to see what it takes to be one of the incredibly brave